The reason I chose this program is to recharge.
To reboot, to reset, to get excited again.
I'm here because I know that I want to be an excellent leader.
I think learning is a very big aspect of leadership development, whether it's creative leadership or otherwise. It keeps us agile and keeps us challenged.
I'm a work in progress. I believe that leadership is a day-to-day thing. It's not the end.
A lot of agencies and certainly networks have their own training and own methods and own ideology, and I think it's really important to step out of that for a little bit.
I got to know myself more by looking at other people.
The empathy and the acceptance, so that's been amazing for me. So both on the fellow participant side, also on the instructor side.
There are many moments of aha and seeing something through an really interesting lens that makes a lot of sense.
It really pushed me actually to think of things differently.
The commonality, we're all facing the same problems, right? I'm not anything special. Everyone's tired, and everyone's overworked, but everyone's also inspired. The reason we're here is because we want to do more and do better.